Saturday night to do semi-final. So I think it's class. We just got on the boat, on the TV screen was there, and we just go around on the seats, put the feet up, watch the darts players class. Yeah.
I was there last year, the darts man, they played a work, weren't they?
Yeah, in Blackpool. Yeah.